Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect a Discord voice channel in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. After opening your Discord, you have to select your voice channel. Then select one. Press on confirm. Here you can see the option of disconnect. You have to press on it. So this is how you can disconnect a Discord voice channel in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.